The Dow, oil, and wheat ending the week under pressure. But will it be the pressure of high heat and crop stress that moves markets in the days ahead? Ag Day National reporter Michelle Rook joins us once again with more.
Joining us with market analysis, Chip Nellinger, Blue Reef Agri-Marketing. No markets on Monday, Chip, but if we come into tonight in that overnight session and the weather looks hot and dry yet, do you think that's going to dominate the trade, or is it going to be more of outside market influence again?
Well, I think the weather in the short run is going to dominate, but we certainly have one eye on the outside markets. Obviously, the stock markets had a big correction, and the energy markets on Friday had a big correction lower as well. So, I think the markets will look at the outside markets for guidance, but in the short run, it's all about the weather. And if you're going to have a hot, dry streak, probably now at the crop development time that we're at across the I-states anyway, is when you want it. But the problem's going to be if you extend this out into the first half of July and even all of July, then we've got some bigger problems and some real production shortfall potential.
Yeah, it seems just a little early yet for a full-blown weather market, but we usually around July 4th start putting weather premium in. How much weather premium do we have in the grain so far?
That's hard to gauge, especially with this ongoing Russia-Ukraine war. That's a big part of it, and there's some added premium into the markets with that. I would say based on Friday's close, the fact that corn held up so well, given the weakness in the crude oil market especially, tells you that this short-run weather model is going to be something that is certainly there. It's hard to answer that, Michelle. I'd say there's at least 30-40 cents in the corn market of weather premium. I think they'll be quick to take that out if you see a cooler, wetter forecast. But if it stays hot and dry, we could easily add 60 or 80 cents very quickly to that if this weather is going to stay threatening.
Yeah, pop above that $8 and $7.50 resistance we hit on Friday then.
We could very easily do that. I'm guessing that it's not going to be a steady open when we see the night trade this evening. So probably going to be sharply one way or the other based on how this forecast is looking.
Thanks so much for joining us with market analysis, Chip Nellinger, Blue Reef Agri-Marketing. Get more on agweb.com. More Ag Day coming up.
Farming has changed. Markets are riskier than ever. For customized, focused commodity marketing, contact Chip Nellinger or Adam Dreyer at 309-550-7213.